So 6 weeks ago we put out 2,500 grafts around this area, and today we're going to be doing another 2,000 in the crown. What I wanted to show is that all the grafts have fallen out, right, which happens before they regrow. But if you take a look, you don't really see any skin changes. You don't see any cobblestoning of the incision sites, right? The skin looks really good. There may be still slight redness, but no significant skin changes. No dipping, no cobblestoning. It looks very smooth, and this is because I use very expensive sharp instruments to create the sites, so the skin itself looks really nice. Even if you were to go ahead and trim the hair or shave the area, and that's really important. I wanted to point it out. So obviously nothing has grown yet because it has only been 6 weeks after the procedure, but how the skin looks is very important, and it's part of the whole result, and that's really key.